to Sharon.
Okay.
Today I got some glue to Sharon, and I made this, and I mixed the pink and yellow together and put some beads inside, and I got a new water bottle like I showed you in the last video. Also, tomorrow I'm gonna play Roblox so you can see my friend, and I'll see what she'll say at school. Okay, and also my dad is doing some work, and I have to do my homework. Also, I'm watching some TV. Bye. See you later.